So guys, SpaceX IPO is currently ongoing on Bybit, and in this video, I will guide you through step by step how to buy SpaceX before the launch of the IPO in the next 2 days. And before I guide you through step by step how to buy this SpaceX IPO, I want you to understand what SpaceX mission is and what an IPO is. So, SpaceX means Space Exploration Technology Corps, is a private American aerospace company founded by the godfather Elon Musk in 2002. Now, the main goal for the SpaceX is to make humanity multiplanetary, starting with planet Mars. And what does this mean? It means that at the moment, we are already 8 billion humans living on planet Earth at the moment. And now, Elon Musk is saying if something catastrophic should happen to Earth, let's say a giant asteroid, a nuclear war, a disease, etc., should happen to us on the planet Earth, that all of us will be wiped out completely, gone forever. Now, that is the goal for SpaceX coming in. Now, Elon Musk, the godfather, is saying, let us not keep all our eggs in one basket. Now, he's saying if humans also live on Mars, then even if Earth is destroyed, humanity can still survive on Mars and we don't go extinct, which is to say, all of us will not gone forever. But wait, is there something they are not telling us? So, if you don't still understand what this means, what Godfather Elon Musk is trying to say, it means imagine you watching this video in your house at the moment with your family, and peradventure the whole house got burnt. All of you are watching this video is going to die, right? But he's saying if there are some people who is not in the house, is in a different house, then some people who do not die will continue the family by multiplanetary using SpaceX, right? And if you truly understand this and you enjoy how I explain this in a layman understanding, do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you're gonna be notified when I will drop amazing videos about making money online and any related topics that will make you money on the planet's internet, right? So with that said, now let's talk about the IPO. Now, IPO means initial public offering, and this is where the company itself open up to the public to buy shares ownership for the first time. And this is what SpaceX is currently doing. And at the moment, this is going to elapse in few days. And if you're watching this video at this moment, all you want to do is to take action immediately you watch this video. Following this step, I'm going to get it through using Bybit, because Bybit gave us an option or opportunity for us to register on Bybit and also tend to purchase SpaceX share before the IPO should launch, right? And before, to get that done, all you want to do, if you don't have a Bybit account, you want to go ahead and use the first link in the description section, set up a Bybit account, or you use code you're seeing on your screen, and which is 79266, to get a first time bonus when you sign up on the Bybit platform. Now, for you to purchase, register and position yourself for the SpaceX IPO, which is happening in few days or few hours from now, all you want to do, and you need a USDC. And to get the USDC, first you need to transfer your USDT to USDC. And how do you do that? If you don't know how to do that, you're going to come to where it says trade. And when you come to where it says trade, so I'm going to cancel this, I'm going to go to spot, right? When you're on spot, you want to make sure right here at the top, you're saying this USDC USDT is already checked. If it's showing a different pair, you come right here and search USDC, and then it will load up for you. All you have to do is to just click on it. And once you click on it, the next thing you want to do is to then make sure it's on market price, and then you make sure you enter the value. Let's say the value you want to enter is 100 USD, for instance. You enter 100 USD, but for me, I think I don't have up to that. Let me just put 39, or let me put 20 for it for the sake of this tutorial. And then the next thing I want to do is to hit on buy, right? So they are saying I should convert, so I'm going to come right here and then transfer my assets from funding to unified, right? Which is the first thing you do. You transfer your assets from, let's say, If it's on funding, you transfer it to funding to unify it for you to that purchase. Now all you have to do is to, let's say I do 20 for instance for the sake of this tutorial, right? And then the next thing I want to do is to then go back to trade, which is down below, hit on trade, and then continue with the buy, right? Boom. And when I do that, I'll hit on buy USDC. So I've bought USDC on spot, and if I come on my asset right here, you're gonna see that I have USDC right away. Now I've done that, the next thing I want to do is to then go ahead and then secure a slot for my SpaceX shares. And how do I do that? I also come to my home account, homepage. See homepage, click on it, and once I click on it, you're gonna see where they say IPO Express. It's kind of a jet. They're saying IPO Express. You could just click on it, and once you click on it, it's gonna bring you to this interface. Now the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on register. And mind you, depending on the time you're watching this video, as at the time I'm recording this video is 2 days 21 hours 4 minutes. So immediately you see this video, watch the video, like the video, share the video, so that more people can join on this journey. If you feel that Earth will be destroyed someday, you can join the SpaceX, get a share, so that whenever such thing happen, you could get yourself a secure promised land. So with that being said, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and hit on register, so you can see their prospectus and you can see their X handle. You can also see their Q&A, which you can go ahead and ask questions. And as at the moment I'm recording this video, over 24 million US dollars in USDC have already subscribed for the SpaceX IPO on Bybit, which is huge. Now, how do you position yourself? Click on register now, and boom, registration is complete. It's that easy. And once you register, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter the amount of USDC you want. So let's say they said the minimum USDC we need is 100 USDC. So if you have below 100 USDC, like as I have below 100 USDC, I won't be able to secure a slot for myself. So you must make sure you have an above of 100 USDC to make this done. So you click on the amount. Let's say you click on 100 USDC for instance. Then once you do that 100 USDC, you go ahead and hit on place order, and immediately you will get your SpaceX slot position, and then you wait for the day of the launch. And now the good thing about you buying the space share on Bybit is once the IPO is done, Bybit will be refunding your 100 USDT to you. So this is how cool it is using Bybit. And if you don't have a Bybit account, make sure you use the link in the description section, secure a Bybit account, and if your first deposit of 100 USDC, you're going to be getting an awesome bonus for yourself. You can claim on the app. Easy peasy. So with that being said, if you feel SpaceX IPO is something you want to jump in, to watch this video right now and then secure your slot for yourself, and see you guys en masse.